This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start now. Confirm your U-Mobile account has roaming allowed and enough credit or an active roaming bundle. Next, open Settings and turn on data roaming and LTE/4G so your phone can register abroad. Once done, open the My U-Mobile app or website, search roaming plans, choose the country, and purchase the specific roaming data pass. This is the required step to avoid blocked data. Make sure you note the pass duration and data cap before moving on. Once your pass is purchased, verify activation in the My U-Mobile app and note the expiry and remaining MB. Then, make sure your phone's APN matches U-Mobile settings. Enter the provider APN manually if automatic provisioning doesn't arrive. After that, set network selection to automatic and prefer LTE/4G for data reliability. If prompted, accept carrier updates and restart the device. This registers your SIM with a local roaming. To finish, test your connection by loading a simple web page or streaming a short clip. Then check My U-Mobile for immediate usage and remaining allowance. If data doesn't work, toggle airplane mode, restart the phone, reselect the carrier manually, and double-check the APN entry. Many issues clear with a restart. If problems persist, contact U-Mobile support with your SIM number and IMEI. They can push provisioning or confirm partner network registration. This single troubleshooting step usually resolves registration failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.